of living in the British countryside is the large variety of birds you can see in the wild. Look at this thrush. He's forgotten where he's supposed to be going. There's a backskipper. Here's a magpie. He's stolen some filthy cotton wool from a local hospital. Dirty bird. There's a piggy bird. Fat, isn't it? And there's some upside-down pigeons. Over in the pond, there's a couple of worker ducks. They're digging a hole. Baby birds are called bees. Up in the tree, we can spot a chicken. Look at its legs. Birds. These mysterious, beautiful creatures that came to our planet suddenly in 1962 are still an enigma today.